CVMC, EC, NMMC, Triple E. Unit 4, Vector Differentiation. Vector differentiation. Lesson 9. Problem 22. Show that del square f of r is equal to f double dash r plus 2 by r f dash r. Del square f of r is equal to f double dash r plus 2 by r f dash r. Solution. So R problem. So first you write your capital R bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Small r is mod r bar root over x square plus y square plus z square. Squaring on both sides, r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Differentiating partially with respect to x, r square derivative 2r, r is the function of x, y, z, so r derivative dou r by dou x, x square derivative 2x, partial derivative with respect to x, y square constant, z square constant, so derivatives of constant 0 plus 0 plus 0, need not write. So dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. Similarly, dou r by dou y is equal to y by r. Dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. Now, del square f of r is equal to sigma dou square by dou x square of f of r is equal to sigma dou by dou x again dou by dou x f of r is equal to sigma dou by dou x f r derivative f dash r derivative dou r by dou x, r derivative dou r by dou x, sigma dou by dou x f dash r. What is dou r by dou x? X by r. X by r. Now use here UV formula. First you use UV formula. First use UV formula. Sigma UV formula. U into f dash r into derivative of dou by dou x of x by r plus UV formula. U into V derivative plus V into x by r into derivative of f dash r, f double dash r into again r derivative dou r by dou x is equal to sigma f dash r. Now use here u by v formula. X by r is there. Derivative of x by r with respect to x. Use u by v formula. V into r into x derivative 1 minus x into r derivative dou r by dou x by v square r square plus x by r f double dash r dou r by dou x is x by r. sigma f dash r minus x into dou r by dou x is x by r square plus x by r f double dash r x by r into x by r. You write x square by r square f double dash r is equal to sigma, taking LCM here, r square minus x square by r square into r cube. So r square minus x square into f double dash r by r cube plus x square by r square f double dash r. Now expand sigma. You write first step as it is, r square minus x square f dash r by r cube plus x square by r square f double dash r plus r square minus y square. After x square you write y square here, f dash r by r cube plus y square by r square f double dash r. Read same step. Instead of x you write y. Next instead of y you write z. That is the way of writing the sigma expansion. Now you common here f dash by r cube. So r square 3r square minus of x square plus y square plus z square by r cube into f dash r plus here e common here 1 by r square f double dash r. We get x square plus y square plus z square. So what is x square plus y square plus z square? R square. So 3r square minus r square by r cube f dash r plus 1 by r square f double dash r into r square. R square cancel. So f double dash r plus 3r square minus r square 2r square by r cube f dash r is equal to f double dash r plus r square cancel 2 by r f dash r. Problem 23. Show that div grad r power n is equal to n into n plus 1 r power n minus 2, or show that div grad means del square r power n is equal to n into n plus 1 r power n minus 2. Use formula method also. What is our formula? Del square f of r is equal to f double dash r plus 2 by r f dash r. Here our fr is r power n. F dash r is n into r power n minus 1. F double dash r is n into n minus 1 r power n minus 2. Substitute there. Del square r power n is equal to f double dash r n into n minus 1 r power n minus 2 plus 2 by r. What is f dash r? N into r power n minus 1. This is equal to n into n minus 1 r power n minus 2 2n r power n minus 2. You common n into r power n minus 2. You common n into r power n minus 2. We get common n into r power n minus 2. we get n minus 1 plus 2. So n into n plus 1 into r power n minus 2. Problem 24. Evaluate del square log r. Del square log r. Solution. Apply same formula for this. Del square f of r is equal to f double dash r plus 2 by r f dash r. Apply same formula. Here f of r is log r. F dash r is 1 by r. F double dash r is 1 by r derivative minus 1 by r square. You need not write r derivative with respect to x. Not that methodology. This is formula methodology. So f double dash r is 1 by r, 1 by x derivative model, minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by r square. Now del square log r is equal to f double dash r means minus 1 by r square plus 2 by r into f dash r means 1 by r. So f dash r minus 1 by r square is equal to minus 1 by r square plus 2 by r square, nothing but 1 by r square. Problem 25. Show that del square 1 by r is equal to 0. Del square 1 by r is equal to 0. Solution. Here f of r is 1 by r. F dash r is 1 by r derivative minus 1 by r square. F double dash r is minus 1 into minus 2 by r cube. So 2 by r cube. 2 by r cube. Now you write that formula. Delta square f of formula f double dash r plus 2 by r f dash r. Delta square 1 by r f double dash r is 2 by r cube plus 2 by r into f dash r is minus 1 by r square. 2 by r cube minus 2 by r cube 0. Problem 26. If capital A bar is a constant vector and capital R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Prove that first bit grad a bar dot r bar is equal to a bar. Second bit div a bar cross r bar is equal to 0. Third bit curl a bar cross r bar is equal to 2a bar. Fourth bit curl a bar dot r bar into r bar is equal to a bar cross r bar. Solution. So clearly your r bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Now consider your constant vector a bar is a1 I bar plus a2 j bar plus A3 K bar. Here A1, A2, A3 are constants. That's why this is constant vector. Now A bar dot R bar dot product multiplying I bar coefficients plus multiplying J bar coefficients plus multiplying K bar coefficients. Definition. So A1x plus A2y plus A3z. This is nothing but sigma xi bar. This is nothing but sigma A1 I bar. Expanding we get this one. Expanding we get this one. So A bar cross R bar cross product formula, intermediate formula I bar, J bar, K bar. Otherwise we observe lesson 2. There are so many intermediate formulas are there in lesson 2. Observe lesson 2. A bar cross R bar. First we write A bar coefficients. A bar coefficients here A1, A2, A3. Second row. R bar coefficients X, Y, Z. This is third row. Now I expand this. I bar, deleting the row and column, we get A2Z minus A3Y minus J bar, deleting row and column, we get A1Z minus A3X plus K bar, deleting row and column, A1Y minus A2X. Now we write this one, I bar A2Z minus A3Y, common minus here. You write J bar into A3X minus A1Z plus K bar into A1Y minus A2X as it is. Your first bit, grad A bar dot R bar is equal to grad del A bar dot R bar is equal to del sigma notation, sigma I bar dou by dou x of A bar dot R bar. Already you know the formula, del f sigma notation formula, I bar dou f by dou x. Instead of f here, A bar dot R bar is there. Sigma I bar dou by dou x of, what is A bar dot R bar? A1x plus A2y plus A3z is equal to sigma I bar derivative with respect to x, A1x derivative to A1, A2y constant derivative 0, A3z constant derivative 0 with respect to x. So we get sigma A1 I bar. This is nothing but A bar. Hence proved. Second bit, dive A bar cross R bar. A bar cross R bar. Dive means del dot. A bar cross R bar is equal to del dot A bar cross R bar means sigma notation del dot sigma dou by dou x of I bar coefficient of A bar cross R bar. I bar coefficient of A bar cross R bar, that is A2Z minus A3Y. A2Z minus A3Y is equal to sigma derivative with respect to x, A2Z derivative 0, A3x derivative 0, sigma 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 3 times we get 0. Third bit. What is third bit? Curl A bar cross R bar. Del cross A bar cross R bar. Del cross A bar cross R bar. So del cross A bar cross R bar means curl. First you write I bar, J bar, K bar. First row by working procedure. Second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row coefficients of A bar cross R bar. Coefficients of I bar, J bar, K bar of A bar cross R bar. So A2Z minus A3Y, A2Z minus A3Y, A3X minus A1Z, A1Y minus A2X. So expand this. Use sigma notation, no problem. Sigma I bar, excluding row and column, dou by dou of this one. Dou by dou y of A1y minus A2x minus dou by dou z of A3x minus A1z sigma I bar. Derivative with respect to y, A1y derivative A1, A2x derivative 0, need not write. Derivative with respect to z, A3x derivative 0, A1z derivative A1, minus or minus, plus A1. So this is sigma I to A1. This is 2 sigma A1 I bar. 2A bar. 2A bar. Fourth one is A bar dot R bar into R bar. What is your A bar dot R bar? A1x plus A2y plus A3z into R bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Now we have to find curl of this. Curl of A bar dot R bar into R bar. What is curl definition? So this is nothing but del cross A bar dot R bar into R bar is equal to determined I bar, J bar, K bar. That is first row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Second row, what is your third row? In this, first you write I bar coefficient. I bar coefficient is A1 x square plus A2 xy plus A3 zx. Next J bar coefficient A1xy plus A2y square plus A3yz. A3yz. K bar coefficient A1 xz plus A2yz plus A3z square. A3z square. So I bar expanding this one dou by dou y of this one. So partial derivative with respect to y, xz constant derivative 0. Here a to z is there. A to z. Here z square derivative 0. Leave it. Minus dou by dou z of this one. 0, 0, A3y. Minus j bar into this row, deleting this row and this column. Dou by dou x of this A1z. A1z minus 0. Here with respect to z A3x plus k bar into deleting this round column dou by dou x of this A1y minus dou by dou y of this one A2x. So you write I bar a2z minus a3y common minus j bar into a3x minus a1 x derivative a1 z plus k bar a1y minus a2x. This is nothing but your a bar cross r bar.